Hi, welcome to Monthly Market Analysis. Happy holidays. We're getting very close. We are in November and looking at October numbers. Our third quarter stats actually came out, so I want to share a little bit with you guys. And we are comparing right now our track record on the Abby Shepherd team versus the market in Atlanta right now. So just so you guys know, the average day on the market in Atlanta is 45 days. Well, that's great. That's pretty quick. Our average day on the market is 24 days. So we are actually beating the market by 3 weeks in terms of time on the market for our sellers. Also, average sale price to asking price in the Atlanta market right now is 98.5%. That's also a great number. Our numbers on the Abby Shepherd team are 100%. So yes, we are getting our clients exactly what they're asking for on average. So we have 100% sale price to asking price. Now, how does it happen, you say? Well, if you look at the number of homes that are selling at or above asking price right now in the Atlanta market, 22% are selling at or above asking price, meaning they're getting multiple offers, all due to low inventory, and we've also seen an increase in buyer activity as well. On the Abby Shepherd team, we are selling 60% of our homes at or above asking price. So it is a hot number. You got a 1 in 2 chance or greater that you're going to sell at or above asking price with us. So I'd love to chat with you if you have considered putting your home on the market. We do a free home analysis, a consultation to see what we can do for you guys and beating the market and get you the most amount of money. Also, wanted to put a word in for condos. That seems to be our theme here this year. We've talked a lot about the condo market. We are now seeing that everything up to $750,000 in a condo is a seller's market. So it's just been great. The condos this year have caught up to the single families. Single family, everything up to $750,000 is a seller's market as well. So it is a great time to sell if you're a condo especially, and I know a lot of people still have questions about that. So please give us a call. Abby Shepherd, 404-275-5561. Take care.